3 months and you can become a data analyst. I'm going to share each and every plan of action for the next 3 months that you should follow dedicatedly to become a data analyst in 2023. Watch out this video till the end, and in case you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To begin with, in order to become a data analyst, the most important thing is going to be language. Now, if I would have been doing this video in 2018 or 2019, I would have told you that becoming a data analyst is super easy. 2-3 साल पहले requirement was very less. थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ो and you can easily crack a job as a data analyst. SQL पढ़ लो, ये पढ़ लो, थोड़ा सा statistics पढ़ लो, थोड़ा सा EDA पढ़ लो, and you will be able to become a data analyst. ये 2018 की बात है, not in 2022 or 2023. Things have changed. Lot of people are entering this domain. बहुत ज़्यादा fight है. I will not say कि jobs नहीं है. Jobs है. There are enough amount of jobs. If you still don't think it is possible to become a data analyst, ping me and I will show you how much jobs are there in the market. India में, US में, Hong Kong में, any country you like to, go ahead, LinkedIn open करो या local job website open करो, you will see tons and tons of jobs. You just need to know the keywords to play around with. Data analysts करके search करोगे तो probably 100 या 200 jobs आएगा. Business analyst, Power BI developer, SQL data analyst. There are multiple keywords that you need to search. So coming back to the topic, 3 months का plan है. I'm going to share you each and everything कि कैसे आप 3 महीने में data analyst बन सकते हो. Quite possible. अगर मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, ऐसे नहीं बना रहा. I'm guaranteeing you, अगर आज वीडियो देख के you are starting your journey, you can definitely become a data analyst in 3 months. First is going to be language. Python is very important. बहुत सारे data analytics projects और data analytics course में Python नहीं provide करते. They tell कि Python is not mandatory. But I would say Python is mandatory because आप अगर real time काम करने जाते हो as a data analyst, the first thing that you will probably get is data extraction. और probably data किसी और format में है and you have to extract using some Python codes and आपको एक structured format में लाना है. Python is needed. Python पढ़ने के लिए definitely you can dedicate around 15 days for Python. After Python comes the next important topic, which is EDA, exploratory data analysis, which is nothing but insight gathering. 4 to 8 hours का videos रहता है EDA में. आपको EDA पढ़ना पड़ेगा and then probably start working on a EDA project. Python, EDA both are available in my channel. Links will be in the description below. After this 15 to 20 days, जिसमें you will be probably learning about Python and EDA. After that comes SQL. SQL plays a vital role. अब SQL में you have to dedicatedly give at least 10 to 12 days to learn and 3 to 4 days in practice. अब practicing में क्या होता है कि obviously there are platforms where you can practice SQL commands. Hacker rank हो गया, lead code हो गया. But I don't suggest people doing that. What I suggest is कोई भी एक data set लो, frame some 10, 15, 20 questions in your head कि कैसे extract कर सकते हैं and try to practically work on them on your MySQL workbench or whatever local SQL databases that you have. SQL videos, also dedicated videos, proper playlist is available on my channel. So this is the 1 month plan. Python हो गया, EDA हो गया, SQL हो गया. Next is 2 weeks of statistics. Again there are statistical topics जिसमें आपको central limit theorem क्या होता है, mean median mode क्या होता है, skewness क्या होता है, how to identify whether the data is normally distributed or not, standard deviation क्या है, variance क्या है, correlation, covariance. All these topics are important for a data analyst because it is important, because you will be using these concepts in your day-to-day activities. So 2 weeks of statistics. After statistics comes one more thing which is never taught in any data analytics program, which is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics basically means you need to know about machine learning, not in depth, but overall अगर आप machine learning क्या है, classification, regression, clustering is not a part of predictive analytics. Classification, regression majorly. कैसे हम classification model बनाते हैं, regression model बनाते हैं, how do we predict all those things is definitely needed. Classification and regression के dedicated videos I'm going to post on my channel very soon. So by the time you are watching this video and you are into the predictive analytics part, I'm pretty much sure there will be videos on my channel. Predictive analytics is again like 2 weeks. So ये हो गया 2 months का plan. After that, one more thing that I would suggest you is learn either one of the tools like Power BI or Tableau. Power BI or Tableau, I'm saying, I'm not telling Power BI and Tableau. Power BI or Tableau. So 15 days of efforts for Power BI or Tableau. If you are willing to learn Power BI, dedicated videos are already there on my channel. But अगर आपको dedicated course लेना है, you can find that course on zepanalytics.com or on my Udemy course, on my Udemy profile. Tableau का, I have Tableau course on zepanalytics.com. Tableau videos, I don't have public videos for my channel, but yeah, down the line in 6-7 months, I'll make all those videos publicly available on my YouTube channel as well. So that's entirely 2.5 months of plan. Python 15 days, SQL 15 days, EDA 1 week probably, statistics का 2 weeks हो गया, 2 weeks of machine learning which is predictive analytics, 2 weeks of Power BI. So यहाँ पे हो गया 2.5 months. 2.5 months के बाद dedicatedly 15 days you have to work on your portfolio projects. One of the most important things. I will recommend you कि EDA में एक project and one SQL case study where you are handling some complex SQL queries and one project around Power BI or Tableau. These are the 3 things that you need to do and make sure that these are the 3 things that you need to do and make sure that you are doing projects which is closer to real-time projects, not like house price prediction and blah blah blah. If you need project ideas help, reach out to me on LinkedIn and I will help you out with project ideas. But there are enough project ideas already on my channel. So lastly, I would like to say कि data analytics बनना है. Definitely there are dedicated courses. Even I had launched some courses. I'm also launching new courses. But with zero cost also, you can learn data analytics. Definitely you will not get guided help, but dedicated videos are already on my channel. Go through them. Playlists are already designed which are end to end, and you can learn data analytics for free. But in case you are willing to learn data analytics in a structured way, please follow my channel on YouTube, follow me on LinkedIn, and probably whenever I host some courses, you will be notified. That's all about this particular video, and I see you all becoming a data analyst in the next 3-4 months or 5 months. Good luck and keep watching my videos. In case you have anything to share, please write down in the comment section below, or else whichever background you are coming from, or else if you have any project related doubts, ask in the comment section. That's all about this particular video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.